here's a quick Walmart haul. And the total of all of this is about 80 bucks. About $80. Okay, start with a bag of shrimps. I think this was the most expensive. This was about $13, 13 and change for the large shrimp, great value. Hobbs bought himself some deli fresh meat for sandwiches. Here's some cat food pouches. We like to give them as treats for the kitties. I purchased the Great Value triple cheddar cheese. This is the shredded cheese. Grape jelly that we needed for sandwiches. There's a recipe too that I wanted to do. I saw it on a channel with barbecue sauce and grape jelly on some smokies. I'll show you those in a minute. But and the rest we can use on PB&J's. Some more kitty treats. They love these greenies. These are really good for their teeth and their breath. But they love the catnip flavor. This is turkey breast for sandwiches for the Hubs. I bought a grapeseed oil because they didn't have the oil that I normally buy, the California oil. So I think that's what it's called. I've hauled it before. But I purchased a grapeseed oil. Some gum for myself. Needed for my bag. Some more treats for the kitties. We give them wet food as treats, but they normally just eat dry. So I just purchased these Shiva packs. This is in the flavor of, what was this, tender turkey. These are the smokies that I was telling you about, the recipe. So these are the beef, the little smokies, sausages. So there's 2 packs of those for a recipe. This cream cheese was about 72 cents, I think. I mean, this was really cheap. This is great. So I'll put one out and then I'll freeze the other one. So 2 packs of cream cheese. And this is for the Hubs. Sausages, of course, probably for spaghetti. He bought 2 packs. One is different than the other one. Oh, this is Vermont flavor. This is Vermont maple flavor. And this is just the original. I bought a pack of saltine crackers for soups. I'm trying to stay away from the croutons because they're a little more on the sodium. They're high in sodium, so I bought saltine crackers. They had the one with no salt too as well, but I need a little bit of salt for my soups. So Hubs, of course, can you tell that he likes such a guy. This is predominantly for football, so I'm thinking of making a recipe with these for football Sunday. Jalapeno cheddar sausages, maple and brown sugar. This is good. These packs are really good. Hubs likes these. I like the regular Quaker. I'll just make it in a pot, but he likes these to take to work. Box of Cheez-Its. They were like 2 and change. Really good price. So we like Cheez-Its, and I'll put these in soup too sometimes as well. Couldn't pass these up. I'll freeze these English muffins. They were, I think, maybe, how much were the English muffins? They were really cheap, guys. They were, I think, $1 each. They were about $1 each, and these were in the freezer section. So if you see these, try to grab yourself some. So I'll freeze those. It's good to have. I purchased a chapstick because I needed one, and this is the Carmex strawberry flavor. I love chapsticks. I have chapsticks everywhere. Purse, in my vanity drawer, and upstairs in the bedroom, everywhere. So I need another one. And I purchased these washcloths because we needed some new washcloths. So those were like $1.97 or something like that. And then I purchased a bleach just to have because I like to bleach the toilets. And this was at a really good price too. So that is it, and that's about 80 bucks. So the Hubs did the smokies with the jelly and the barbecue sauce. He said he likes it, but he doesn't really taste the jam too much. I just think that it changes the consistency of the sauce. That's the idea. But there they are. He liked them. And I'm going to store the rest away. Alright guys, until the next one, take care.